Guys, Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware, and I'm just giving you a tip on how to cut and join the belt here. So no control in this door yet. So when you get these, belt is not installed. It does come with plenty of belt for installation. A lot of customers get hung up on how to install the belt, so here's how we do it. So you're going to want to first take your belt and you're going to wrap it around both pulleys. So you can see right here I have it around the return pulley. I also have it around the motor gearbox pulley as well. Okay, so right here, you're gonna make sure that your return pulley over here is set at a loose setting. So see, if you can see, I have a lot of adjustment when I go to tighten this belt. So we want it to be loose on this so that we're not cutting too much belt and we don't have a gap. So this belt I've already cut, but I'll illustrate what you do. So right now I'm at that loose setting, pull it tight. You can see I left an extra tooth here. So you're gonna wanna cut here, your belt length, and discard the excess. If you look right now at the motor gearbox end, you can see it's, oh, okay, it just seated again. But it was starting to come off. So make sure you're seated on the gearbox, make sure you're fully seated on the return pulley, and then cut. So it's better to go a little bit longer. Actually, when this is seated on the gearbox, you can see I have actually two teeth that overlap. So now what you're gonna wanna do, so if you're joining your belt on the top, you're gonna use the upper belt bracket to join it, which is this tall one. And if you are joining at the bottom, like I am, we're gonna use this lower belt bracket to join it. I already took it apart. It's gonna be like this. So now we'll just join it. So you take out the two screws, this part comes loose. There's a total of 10 teeth here. So we're gonna just meet in the middle. So on this side, we're gonna go 5 teeth over. And then on this belt, we're gonna do the same thing, go 5 teeth over. And then we're just gonna simply, see, it just slides right in, both sides. So it's meeting. And then we're just gonna put this back on the belt bracket. And let me grab my screws here and just secure this. One more. Okay, just tighten it down here. Oops. Okay, so now we're tight. You can see belt's joined, but look, you can see it's really loose. Now we're gonna come over here to the return pulley. We're gonna just pull it tight. And you can see here that leaving 2 teeth was probably a little bit too much because I am nearly at the end of my adjustment when I start pulling on this. So you might want to only leave 1 tooth, but then we're just going to get the belt tight. Only requirement with the belt here, so we're just going to keep tightening this. That looks like a pretty good belt tension here. The real thing you want to make sure, and you'll find out too once the door starts running, all we want is for that pulley to not slip over there, because then the door will come out of time. So now I have my belt bracket. The upper belt bracket, or whichever belt bracket you did not use to join the doors, you do not mess with until you get your doors hung, because this will vary depending on the position of this when your doors are installed. So that's how you join the belt. Thank you guys.